Yeah, y'all. 1773, back at it again. River City Entertainment exclusive. Here we go. This music, it had heart back in the day, had spark back in the day. No one felt like castaways. It was unity for you and me. No stupid beef for who's the chief. Might lose your teeth, but not your life. In a battle, pass the mic, saddle up and catch a rock, cause we ain't done yet. Try to shine brighter than the sun gets. Wait 1 sec. Okay, there goes the heartbeat again. Don't know of many nowadays that don't cheat the when they greet us in. With handshakes and high fives. No matter if I sit here, stand straight or fly by. But you fly guys with no passion in what they doing. Sky high views of those who are passing and moving, classes improving to that of a higher. The crackling you hear is from the flames of the fire, and I pick up my cross as I follow the Messiah. All this junk these days got me straight tired. This is music from the heart, way past the surface, and we continue to do it this way cause it's worth it. We heard everything that you said, so what's the purpose? We giving hard music to you cause you deserve it. This is music from the heart, way past the surface, and we continue to do it this way cause it's worth it. We heard everything that you said, so what's the purpose? We giving hard music to you cause you deserve it.
Contrary to the popular who take the stage to yell and scream, I'm innovating while I'm boosting someone's self-esteem. See, we've held our dreams tight, grip and short leash, but if we let them flourish, then it might give us more peace. I nightly record speech if it was a presentation with the hopes of educating us into a better nation. Cause my chest is aching from my heart going out to those that need direction when so many signs show the route. And I know this doubt, it might be out, I talk with God, but he's my support like a tripod. When life's hard, I scarred myself for many years internally, so now I turn this beat to all the others who can learn from me. We can earn degrees and gather cash in small increments, but we're held responsible for each other's predicaments. My voice is the instrument and I choose to use it. Music is my heart, so I put my heart in use.
This is music from the heart, way past the surface, and we continue to do it this way cause it's worth it. We heard everything that you said, so what's the purpose? We giving hard music to you cause you deserve it. This is music from the heart, way past the surface, and we continue to do it this way cause it's worth it. We heard everything that you said, so what's the purpose? We giving hard music to you cause you deserve it.
Yeah. Collaboration. Volta Masters. 1773. Just J. Wisdom O&E. DJ Moral One. All the way from Japan to Chicago and everywhere in between. Check it out. Got reversing, now you're pursuing me. If you can see the future and what lies in the forefront, you might see a future, but I don't see much more for us. Sort of a hard pill to swallow, but I'm following my feelings that I bottled in. So please stop deciding it. Sweating my technique and let me clear my mind out. With a little bit of space, we just might find out whether this time out will bring us back together, or when we say goodbye, these words are forever. But I'm really feeling like these sides should be severed.
After the hardest on my chest, is that what you're trying to capture? What's the relationships between a slave and master? They might be hope for us, but I see it ending faster.
Before we hit disaster and it falls apart, I think it's best to call it quits now before it starts. Part of me honestly wants to make it happen, but not to make any moves is the best action.
Ourselves right at the start of this, and you know I ain't the one to wall part of this. Busting and fighting, arguing back and forth, continuing on like this is something that we can't afford. Can't see the target that we're both aiming towards. The end result of this is something I'm not looking for. So let's try to reach a point of peace and end the confusion. It's probably for the best, cause we're sitting here losing. This love thing is now fusing.
Said and done, and it is what it is. Not trying to dismiss, but I know this is it. Our ways will be separate, but let us make it stronger. As individuals, we'll benefit in the
never knew ya.